check-in for Caesars, but since we're staying at Nobu, you guys don't have to deal with all this if you stay at Nobu. That's the check-in there. I'll show you our check-in in a second. There's a bar right there. It's packed. Okay, now here's our check-in. So we're actually in the middle of Caesars. We walked through a little bit where the restaurants are, and here's our check-in. All quiet.
Quiet, and guess what else you get? You get the
It's
good luck
private.
You get the good luck boobies. Good luck boobies.
So here's ours, quiet. See, they just have the elevators. It's connected to the restaurant. Way more convenient than what you guys just saw. So here's the check-in area. Then there's 3 elevators. Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. This is A Day with Destiny and TJ, and I'm Destiny. Okay, so I'm about to show you this quick room review. This is the Caesars Hotel. This is the Nobu section. So this is a king room. I'll have all the details also in the description. So here's the restroom area right when you walk into the left. I'll have the exact room number and everything else in the description for you guys. This is gonna be a quick review. Nice shower area. Mirror, what's behind here? Okay, robes. There's one mirror. Here's another mirror in the sink. So when you walk right in, you have a mirror to the left. That's me, hello. And then you have the bed. You have a closet. How come that light didn't go on? Pretty spacious closet. 2 drawers. Lockbox, more robes, and here's a fully stocked minibar. Snacks in case you get the munchies at night. Here's your drawers, another spacious drawer. Here's your sitting area, couch, just a little sitting area here. And then you've got the fake balcony. You guys, if you want a real balcony, go check out our Cosmo video. They have real balcony that you can step out on. In Vegas, they don't have many open balconies, so this is kind of just a tease. We didn't get much of a view here. So this is the king room at Caesars Palace, the Nobu hotel section. So we did upgrade to have a view, and this is what it looks like, just to show y'all. A little bigger, a little more modern it seems, but this is the view. I had to turn off the light so I can show you guys the view because that's the only way you can see it. When you turn them on, there's a huge glare, but love this view. Way better than the other room. And this is the restroom. It's a little bit different. See how they switched? So now you have your vanity on this side, and then the toilet right when you walk in, and then you've got the shower right across. You've got the same big spacious sink. Mirror. This does feel a little bit bigger than the last room that we showed you. And this is the view. Strip view. Fake balcony. But again, if you want a real balcony that you can actually step on, that's the Cosmo. I have that video as well, and I will leave it in the description. This is at the Nobu Caesars Palace.